Is your Shopify store unavailable? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna explain to you how to fix that. So the first step is to simply go to your Shopify dashboard, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on online store. Then you're gonna have to go to preferences, and then here simply scroll down, and here next to password protection, simply disable this. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on save, and basically that's all you have to do. Now if you can't disable this, that means that you haven't picked a plan, so you're gonna have to go to settings again, and then go to plan and pick any plan. As you can see, I have advanced Shopify, but you can go if you want with the basic one, and as you can see it's only €1 for like 3 months if I'm not wrong. So basically after you select your plan, you're gonna have to simply go back to preferences and then simply disable this password protection feature, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.